Welcome to TM Electronics and the first in our video series showing you a selection of products from our Legionella temperature monitoring range. Now, I'm sure you've tested a TMV, tank, pipe or duct that's been in a difficult to reach place. Overhead or hidden locations not only add time but also hazard to what should be a straightforward process. So the question is, how can TME save you time and reduce risk? Well, we've created the TCWallPort. This little gem is the first in our range of inexpensive remote monitoring points that, in conjunction with a thermocouple wire probe, can be mounted up to 20 meters away from the point being tested with no loss of accuracy. It's compact, measures just 52 millimeters squared and is 24 millimeters deep. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's available in white, red or blue. It's easy to assemble. Simply remove the front screws, separate the two halves and plug in your chosen thermocouple probe. It's easy to install. The rear plate has been moulded to include 2 screw holes, or you can mount it with strong adhesive tabs. Then you need to secure the sensing tip to the test point with either tape or our thermocouple attachment pads. Also, for accurate measurement, we recommend you place insulation over the thermocouple. Here in our test area, we've secured a KM07 fine wire immersion probe into an overhead water tank. And to keep things neat, the trailing wire has been enclosed in trunking. We've also labelled the TCWallPort. The front panel has a recessed area for testing point identification. On our label, we have printed a QR code for paperless reading with our barcode thermometer. Now that's a model we'll take a closer look at in a later video in this series. Okay, so now we're installed and almost ready to take a reading. As part of your Legionella temperature monitoring kit, you will no doubt already have a thermometer. But in order to take a reading from the TCWallPort, you'll also need a connection cable. Now you don't need one for each TCWallPort installed. Just one of these inexpensive cables is required per thermometer. Now we're ready. But no longer do we need to get the ladder out. No, we simply walk up to the TCWallPort, plug one end of the cable into the TCWallPort, then the other into your thermometer. Wait for the display to settle and note your reading. That is it. The test took just under 16 seconds to perform, so if you have multiple test points, I'm sure you'll agree time will be saved. For more information on the TCWallPort, please visit tmethermometers.com/TCWallPort-system. Or for bespoke advice, call our team on 01903 700 651. In the other videos in our series, we'll be taking a look at the range of fine wire probes recommended for use with the TCWallPort. Also, we'll be talking about the handheld used in our demonstration, that's the MM2008 with its integral 1 and 2 minute timers, as well as introducing the next generation of TCWallPorts with integrated fine wires and double sockets. Also, we'll be reviewing the range of probes and Bluetooth thermometers recommended for Legionella temperature monitoring. We thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.